Okay, hello Northeast people, Naga people or Nagaland guys. This is your African boy Gabs guys. I'm currently in India and I'm from South Sudan, that is Africa guys. So I've been to Northeast, Guwahati, Shillong guys. That is the two places I visit so far and my best experience ever it is in Meghalaya. And if you're wondering what is this? Like you'll be like, what is this he's wearing? This is not from Africa. This is a khasi traditional stuff, guys. I received it from Meghalaya, Shillong, guys, because only 2 weeks back I was in Shillong, Meghalaya, and I just love my trip. I love the people and the culture, the tradition, the food. Jado, I tried their food, Jali Jado, and Jastem, Trumbai. A lot of food I ate from Shillong, guys, and a lot of people also at the same time when I met them from Shillong and they are from Guwahati also. They suggested me to go to Nagaland. I was like, what is special about Nagaland? They told me Horn Festival. Horn Festival. You must witness that. So I witnessed a lot of Kasi festival, cultural festival, guys, and I also love it. So I started checking on internet about the Horn Festival. I got to know much about this. It's one of the biggest festival in Nagaland, guys, and I just love it, guys. So I'm reacting. I'm also getting to know much about it because maybe next year I will be with you all. I love Nordic people, guys, and I am doing reaction video and vlog at the same time. Just know if I'm reacting to your video Nagaland now, so meaning that after a few months I will be visiting Nagaland. So kindly subscribe, put on the bell because when I come to Nagaland, I will be posting the vlogs here because they said Nagaland from Guwahati is like 3 hours, so that is not far. If I knew, I would have went that time, guys, but I don't have friends there. Anyway, I have one friend so far from Nagaland, so that's enough. I will definitely witness the Horn Festival with you guys next year. So for now, let's just see how was this the recent one. How was it, guys? Thank you so much. Love from Africa. Kindly support my channel, subscribe, and let's enjoy. So the vlog is from Desiyatri Vikas. Desiyatri Vikas. See the Nagaland, guys, the Nagaland traditional. Wow, wow, wow. This is like a stadium.
Hey! 나가면 Hornbill
Wow. See, so much of people. So Naga people, they speak Nagamese, right? Horn Festival 2024. 2025, I will be with you guys, definitely.
Today, we proudly celebrate the 25th edition of legendary Hornbill Festival. The success of this globally
they also have a deaf
recognized
translate.
event for the
Wow,
past
this is so
25
nice.
years.
I also have like this one, the one they're wearing, guys. I kept behind there, you can see. I got from Shillong.
On the 25th anniversary of the festival.
Who is he, guys? The guy is singing. Is he singing or praying? Is that Hindi? I feel like it's Hindi. See, so many people. Wow.
Thank you.
That's the grand opening ceremony.
For warming us with your beautiful music.
Language and culture and music are the most important things that connect us, that bring us together, that help share our humanity and our community.
I had no idea of the scale and the beauty and the incredible energy of this
This is
festival.
the chief minister. I know him.
A very exciting and entertaining part of the opening ceremony of the 25th
Okay.
edition of the
So
Hornbill
they have to
Festival.
ring the bell.
to start this, we invite the Honorable Chief Minister of Nagaland and the Honorable Governor to ring the festival gong. Ladies and gentlemen, the festival is now officially open.
Oh, also they have Bishop. I saw Bishop there. Okay, let's go now. It's time to enjoy, to see the talent, the music. I also love the Nagaland music, guys. Let me witness this now. Cho 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 cho. Let's dance, man. In my place in Africa, we call this Nugara, the drum one. We call it Nugara.
Thank you so much. Hornbill Festival!
I think she's from outside. I can't wait to go to Nagaland so that I'll buy some their traditional, some their cultural.
It is made of bamboo and has only 5-finger holes. It is relatively quiet instrument.
Oh, the instrument is using. It's made from bamboo only. Japanese bamboo. Ooh. Wow, so Japanese are also presenting there. They also have that gun. Oh my gosh. Man, I just love their traditional attires. To learn your dance, guys. Okay, coming to the modern artist of Nagaland. Who is he, guys? Tell me who is she? And who is he that side? Nagaland, we the Naga. Naga Manu, I also know some Nagamese. Naga Manu, I listened to that song of Naga Manu. Oh my gosh, she looks so beautiful and so unique with that wear.
To the 25th Hornbill Festival
Wow.
of Nagaland.
Oh my gosh. That after party. Oh, what is that? This is the owner of the vlog, guys. Thank you so much, Desiyatri Vikas. Photo booth. Great, 100 background, 200 traditional attest. Okay, I will definitely try this one day if I come there. Because I tried the khasi one, so I have to try the Nagaland one for the photo. Oh, they have that gun also.
बढ़िया मजा आ रहा था हॉर्नबिल फेस्टिवल में, लेकिन एक चीज देखी, दिमाग खराब हो गया।
बहुत अच्छा, बहुत अच्छा। Yeah.
ओरिजिनल है ये।
This is part of their culture also.
और ये बोलते हैं कि नागालैंड और
The horn festival. I think that horn also they make it from that. They make it from the horn of the cow, right?
लेकिन इसके ना यहाँ पे ऐसे हाथ लगा के दबा रहे हैं, तो पता चल रहा है कि कोई सुन ये गलत है।
Yes, I want to say something. I want to say I love the festival. I love it, guys. This is so colorful, so unique, guys. And I just can't wait one day to go and witness with my own eyes. You know what I love, guys? They are traditional. The Northeast people, guys, like the Nagaland people also. They are those people like the Northeast. Every state in Northeast, they are so unique. They look so unique when it comes to their traditional attire, and it is so lovely, man. When they wear it in general, oh my gosh, it looks so unique. You just it's like a costume for me. It looks so beautiful. I really love it. I love their cultural, and guys, such festival for them. See just how they love it, guys. Like so many people will come. This is so unique for real. Like this is just only one. It happened only one time in a year, so I should definitely witness next time, guys. Thank you to the vlog owner for this amazing Desi. Thank you, Desiyatri Vikas for this amazing vlog. And don't forget, subscribe to his channel. Because of him only I'm reacting to this channel. And also subscribe to my channel, because next year it is gonna be African Experience Day, Horn Festival of Nagaland. Definitely I'll do it, guys, because so far I've been to Guwahati and to Shillong, guys. So you can also go and watch my vlogs in Guwahati and Shillong. It is already out in this channel. I do reaction and vlogs, guys. Thank you so much. Love from Africa. Till next time.